Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato sheds. We're here at Fully Equipped in Hamilton, and I'm getting a new Crown Canopy on the back of my work ute. We saw them at field days and we had a look around all the other brands, and by far Fully Equipped stood out from the rest of them. They've been in business for 30 years, and so that's just who we at Waikato Sheds like to work with. It's other New Zealand companies making jobs for New Zealanders and producing a product that they're proud to stand by for the lifetime of it. So what we're going to do today is see the canopy get fitted to the ute, and we're going to go for a tour and have a look at how they do that. Also have a look at all the other product. They've got a few show utes and a show van that they're going to show us. So there's going to be a lot of cool stuff. So if you're a tradie, if you're into four-wheel driving, camping, any of that, you're going to want to watch along and see how it transforms my ute and what they can do for your vehicles. Let's go. So the ute's been taken inside and they're going to start fitting up that canopy. Let's pop inside and meet the team and see about all the awesome products and how they do it. We're here with Jason from Fully Equipped, and he's going to give us a bit of a rundown of all the awesome products they do and a tour of the facility, show us these fantastic Crown utes that are made in New Zealand, here in Hamilton, the mighty Waikato.
How good's that?
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Thanks, Mark, for coming in and trusting us with your ute for doing a canopy fit out there. So we'll have a little look around the showroom here, and then I'll show you the manufacturing facility.
Awesome. So this is similar to the one I'm going to have fitted onto my ute,
Yes, it is, yeah. The Crown Canopy there. So making these for over 30 years in the region.
Wow.
So one of the beauties of the Crown Canopy is that we've still got all spare parts. So I quite often get people come in with an older canopy.
Yes.
They come in here, we look at the serial number that's on all the canopies, and we can pull up on the computer, bring out a build sheet, and I can tell you who built it on what day.
Wow.
And we've got all the spare parts available. So we still do a lot of refurbishment on canopies that are that old as well.
Yeah, that's fantastic, and that's one of the reasons we chose Crown Canopies is because you're a New Zealand owned and operated company, and you're obviously been
Australasian now. It's a New Zealand company, but it's an Australasian
beautiful.
company now as well.
Moving into the Australian market.
Yes, we are.
That's awesome, and that's great seeing New Zealand companies expanding and getting out there, but also standing by that product for the whole time, which is really cool.
Yeah, so made tough in New Zealand for the rest of the world. So obviously my Australian accent, I've been pretty brutal on these over in Australia, out in deserts and in the snow, rooftop tents on them, and actually testing to their limits.
Yes.
And that's one of the beauties where they've seen the best company, the best fiberglass canopy company in the world.
Yep.
You know, I bleed like that, but that we've actually been seen and recognised by a leading Australasian company who they've acquired us, and now we're moving into Australia. 1st of September, we open our branch in Brisbane.
Ah, fantastic. So, yeah, as you can see here, this one's got the mesh over the side and the sliding window. I'm going with the lift up, which is easy to get at your tools, but fantastic if you've got animals
in there, or ventilation will need that in there as well.
Yes.
So especially in the heat, we have a lot of our councils get those, so the rangers get those.
Yes.
But we have a lot of people that show their dogs, and they actually have things built in there, so they can actually have full ventilation. And the dog won't stick its nose out through it, all that as well, and keep it there. So it's still protected, can have the ventilation in there as well. So
perfect.
The beauty of these canopy, because you can actually configure it and choose your windows, you can actually set it up to make it for dual purpose.
Yeah, so you could have one of these on one side if you wanted, and an opening one on the other side.
Which is very popular,
Yeah, it's what we do, and it's so good as being able to come into a company, talk to them, and have custom work done. Yeah. It's really fantastic.
Yeah, so
roof rack on the top as well.
Yeah, roof rack in there. So the whole canopy is designed to be rated for 100 kilos of roof rack loading.
Okay.
But the standards testing we do for that, we actually do 4 times that load. So we have to test it for 400 kilos of pulling up, pushing down, sideways, and everything else there too.
Yes.
But the whole canopy is designed from the onset to take those loads.
Yeah, fantastic.
So there's extra thick where the mounting points are in there, and reinforcement in the canopy. So we're actually putting the testing rig in here where we were doing it off-site.
Yep.
So we're actually going to be testing all our canopies here. We'll get you back to a video of that, and when that's in there done in the coming months, and you'll be able to see how much load actually puts through the canopy.
Wow.
Which is peace of mind for what's out there to make it work and carry those loads for you.
Yeah, having your ladders up the top, having roofing iron, having whatever it is you're putting up there. You see people with wheelbarrows on there, all sorts of awesome things.
Yeah, it's pretty scary when you're driving down the road and you're looking how it's tied on. But this is just making sure that everything's done and integrated to the vehicle.
Yes.
So canopies have come a long way over the last 30 years. But the way we style them, design them, integrate into there, putting central locking on the back doors, options like that in there too to make it all work and make it part of the car.
Yeah, and you can match to most colours for most cars.
Most colours. So the white canopies, the predominant of the white ones, we actually make it here in the factory in our gel coat, and the colour is actually inside so no extra painting costs.
Yes.
But then, if we go out there, we actually use PPG paints, just like the car companies do.
Yep.
We actually do a colour match for the vehicle. So we go from the colour code, everything else in there, and get a colour match like your vehicle.
Yep.
We've painted it so it matches the Toyota factory colour.
Yeah, fantastic. So yeah, that's what is really awesome. It looks like it's just made from factory to have that on the back, which just matches it and looks fantastic.
Yeah.
And obviously behind you guys do a whole range of four-wheel drive products,
four-wheel drive,
everything else.
Predominantly all the gear you need for your ute. So we've got from bull bars, nudge bars, lighting, roof rack systems, the X-Bar tow bar by Heyman Reese, and majority of these products are part of our whole group here as well.
Yes.
So Nava, Roller, all part, just like Fully Equipped, are part of A-Motive.
Yes.
So big brands and what out there, and that's actually the reassurance it gives the customer is that they value Crown Canopies and Fully Equipped as the leaders in canopies, and that's why they actually acquired us. Yep. So we're actually part of a big group with lots of development processes. We do a lot for original equipment companies, aftermarket, and for fleets like yourself. Yeah,
fantastic. Oh, that's really good. So yeah, obviously pop in and see the team for all of your sort of needs for that.
Yeah.
And let's go out the back and have a look at how the magic happens and how they create these canopies here in Hamilton.
Thank you.
So we're inside the factory now and the canopy's about to go on. We've got our main man, Lenwell, here.
Yep.
How are you, Len?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. He's about to put the canopy on. So as you can see, we came in, placed our order, they've built the canopy for us, then they've booked us in for a time to do the fitting, and now they've got the ute here, they've taken my old lid off, and they're going to fit it all up. So they've got a whole bay here where they're producing these and doing it.
So you can see our safety equipment there, dedicated forklift for lifting it on.
Yeah,
fantastic. Look after the backs. Just what we've developed over the years. So we use those for moving around during production, but just allows us to lower it back on and get onto the rib studs there.
Yeah, that's really nice. And like I can see your attention to detail, cardboard in the back, really taking care of the vehicles so when the canopy goes on, nothing else goes wrong. And so the system, they're putting it on, seal it in place with the rubber seal and then bolt it down?
So there's actually a butyl seal underneath there. But one of the things there, it's all computer designed and it's actually cut out with a laser. Everything's measured on there, so the canopy comes down and sits square on the vehicle.
Yes.
So where there's actually dedicated spots, and we actually put a rib nut in with a stud on there, and so we lower the canopy on and it keeps the canopy all square.
Yes.
So it takes out any tolerances that can be in the ute tub.
Yep.
But the way we actually seal it down with the butyl adds a lot of strength and stops the movement as the canopy comes down the road.
Fantastic.
So it's all this attention to detail and what we've come up with the best systems on there as well. So 30 years of development, so you get the best product.
Yeah, fantastic. Oh, it's looking really good already. And like you say, the colour match, you wouldn't even know that it's an aftermarket.
How old's your ute now?
Oh, I think it's 2011, so 20 plus years.
Yeah, so it's done well. Yeah. But that's part of our process. So while we're actually authorised, so we sell a lot of genuine canopies, so we go through all the processes to make genuine parts.
Yes.
So it's good enough for the original equipment manufacturer,
and
it means we get our standards up, so it's right for the consumer.
Yeah, beautiful. Fantastic. Oh, it's looking good. We'll go and have a look at the rest of the factory and then pop back. Obviously, they're going to put the roof rack on and they've got a few other goodies to do. So, yeah,
then you can get back to work and earn some money with it.
Yeah, beautiful. And, I mean, that's it. It means that you can carry more on there, you can have more tools. It does actually make working easier and the ability to do more. So they're fantastic for the kit.
Can't wait to see it out there in the field with it.
Yeah, looking forward to it. so we've just been for a tour of the building. Amazing seeing these be made and how they do it. We couldn't show you everything, a few trade secrets in there, but a good overview of how it's done. And while we were out there, we saw the white ones, so they actually come out white, and you guys sand them back, is it, and then put a gel coat on them?
Yeah, well, actually, it comes out of the gel coat, so it's actually impregnated into their gel coat. Yep. So that white colour is what it's like out of the vehicle. Yes. So you see those ones, and then you saw the painted ones there, which were the grey ones. Yep. Which we pre-sand them. Couldn't take you in there with a camera. We didn't want you to have to clean the camera out again. Yep. And then we send them off to a paint shop, and they come out painted. Like your one's gone out as a grey canopy, already pre-production, and then we send it out for its automotive quality paint on the top. Yeah, fantastic. So they come in here, then the team behind us of specialists. Yeah, the assembly team here. Is my A-team here. Nice. You got to have the A-team on the job. Yeah. They pick them up, they put them into position, and then they start fitting the windows. And so they come with a build sheet. So it's like a production line. There's a build sheet for each canopy. So we know what window configuration, any extras are going to be on there. So it's all configured here and built here and there, ready to be dispatched out around the world or fitted on site here. Oh yeah, fantastic. Or our 5 sites around New Zealand. Yeah, right. So you've got 5 sites around New Zealand. So wherever you are, you're going to be able to get one of these fitted up. Coverage across the 2 islands, yeah. Yeah, fantastic. So yeah, they put all the windows in, and then it goes through to the team, and they put it on there. Oh, there's another step there. Every canopy is actually water tested. Oh yes. So we actually go through a bath, and they actually go through and we check out for water leaks in there as well. And then it goes off to the dispatch team to be sent out, either put in stillages, containers, or in individual boxes. Yep. Or we put them on the rack to go and be fitted on site here. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, so real attention to detail on everything that they do here at Fully Equipped, which is really good to see. It's been really good seeing all of this. So we're going to shoot off now, do some other work, and then we'll come back this afternoon and we'll see the canopy on the ute. We'll show it off for you. And then show it off. So awesome, thanks so much for that tour, and we'll look forward to seeing you this afternoon. Thank you. Awesome, so it's the end of the day, and they've finished up with the canopy on the ute. Let's go around and check it out. I'm excited to see the ute with the canopy on it now. So here we are, the big unveiling, shall we say. We've got Jason here. Hey Mark, how you going? Yeah, good. How's the beast look? It looks awesome. It sort of, to me, it looks how it should look, you know, like it's complete now with that on the back. And with that colour match you guys have done, it just looks spot on, like you'd think it's just come out of the factory like that. It's a good idea, give the old vehicle a birthday too. You know, it's done well for you, and now it's got a new lease of life with a canopy on it. Yeah, and it pretty much doubled, if not more, the amount of space I have to store things in there. So, no, it's awesome. Let's open that up. So, all the same keys all around there, so 1 key does it all for you, 2 keys come with it for you. And look at that, all on struts, so it opens itself up. Easy to get into the back there and get at all the tools and everything, which is fantastic. And then same round the side, just pop those open and it pops up, which is fantastic. And I really like that smooth mount sort of finish you've got on the side of these. It looks really part of the car now, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. And that fantastic Crown logo on the side there, which is really cool. Matches your colours. Yeah, it does. Hey, it's why we chose, yeah. They've got the Rhino rack on the top there as well. And which has actually got a straight edge. When we fit them, we've actually fitted it. We've got a long straight edge, so your purlins or anything when you're building the sheds. Yes. So it goes along, so you have to worry about bowing in the middle. Yeah, fantastic. We spent a lot of time with that, and we spoke about it this morning. That's part of our design criteria on the canopy. Yep. And on specifying the roof racks for it. So we actually sell you a system that works. Yeah, fantastic. And that's what we like. It's what we really strive for on sheds, is that attention to detail for the things that not everybody notices, but when you go to use it, like you say, putting on a flashing or something across it, it's all going to fit perfectly. So if you know, you know, isn't it? Yes. So no, I'm super excited, really pleased with how it looks and the quality that you guys have come up with for us. So excited to get all the tools back in there and start using that. And yeah, just so if anybody out there needs a canopy for their ute, get in touch with Fully Equipped. Then, as you've seen from this tour and today, they do it all and they do top quality work. Thanks, Mark. Awesome. Cheers, mate. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you out there. We will do. Thank you.